Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by prepping the sequence and clips so grading is predictable. Set the project ratio and FPS first, then import and organize footage into labeled bins because consistency saves time. Once done, enable waveform and vector scope to monitor exposure and color balance while you work. You'll want to scrub each clip quickly and mark and slash out points for selects. These early actions let you focus on creative choices rather than hunting for footage later, and they give you accurate reference tools for the next steps. You tackle primary corrections now to create a neutral baseline before stylizing. Start by setting exposure with the waveform. Pull gain down if highlights clip and raise lift for shadow detail. Then balance color with the white balance eyedropper or temp and tint sliders so skin tones read natural on the vector scope. Once balanced, refine contrast via lift/gamma/gain or RGB curves to shape midtones and preserve highlights. Take your time here because accurate primary correction makes secondary adjustments more effective and consistent across shots. You finish by applying targeted secondary grades and a final creative look. Use HSL qualifiers, masks, or power windows to isolate skin, sky, or specific hues, and refine them with saturation, hue, and luminance adjustments. Once satisfied, apply a creative LUT or film look at reduced opacity and tweak contrast or midtone saturation so it reads naturally. Finally, export with the correct color space and check the file on your delivery device. If colors shift, recheck scopes and use a reference frame to troubleshoot quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.